This is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. As you can see, we are here doing some work out here in Woodbridge, actually Dumfries area. I'm using the rotovac. Actually, I'm sorry, I'm using the Brush Pro here to agitate the carpets and make sure that we pick up all the debris. And as you can see, look at all that debris. We vacuumed, and so did the client before we got here. As you can see, this is what is left behind if you're properly not cleaning carpets. So it's very essential that you really get deep into the fibers and really groom it in and pick up all the particulars that could be hidden deep into the carpets. So this is a definition of deep clean. And as you can see, look at all that. That is what is coming from the carpet after even vacuuming with a very good vacuum cleaner at that. I mean, the vacuum cleaner, not that just because it costs a lot means it works well. Essentially, that's sometimes how it is though, right? So, but this vacuum cleaner is about over $1,000 that we use. But in certain situations like this where you have cats, animals, and haven't cleaned your carpets in a while, you need some of the deepest clean, and we offer that. So these are certain sometimes things that other clients are leaving behind. I mean, other carpet cleaners are leaving behind, and it's not a good look. So your carpets may appear to be clean, but are they really clean? That's the question, right? Yeah. So yeah, check me out more of my videos on Facebook, and leave comments if you want to.